like about Halle Berry's haircut? Point out the features. Is it that you like it that it's clean around the ear, short and clean around the ear, similar to how a lot of men get their haircut, right? Is it that she has texture on top? It's short and textured. Is it, that it's tight on the sides? Like, basically, I was trying to dissect what it was exactly that she liked about Halle Berry's haircut. And so I'm asking her, can you tell me what it is exactly that you like about this image that you brought into me of Halle Berry? And she's like, wow, I just think it looks so cool. I just think it looks so hip. It looks so modern. It looks so edgy. But she couldn't tell me, she couldn't point at the picture and tell me, this is what I like right here, how it goes over her ear, or how it's tight on the neck, on the hairline, or how it's textured on the top. She could not tell me any of that. And what it boiled down to is she didn't want Halle Berry's haircut. She wanted to be Halle Berry. And so when we realized that it really wasn't Halle Berry's haircut that she wanted, as much as she thought it looked cool on Halle Berry, she really wanted to be Halle Berry. We ended up looking at other images throughout different magazines, and believe it or not, we did a very similar haircut to what she came in with. It still remained around bob length. We did some graduation in the back. We changed it up because we knew she wanted to change, but we had to figure out what it was that she, wanted versus what it was that she thought she wanted. So can you imagine if I would have gone through not dissecting what it was that she liked about Halle Berry's haircut and just cut Halle Berry's haircut? And then she looked in the mirror and was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe this. This is not what I wanted. This does not look good on me. This is Halle Berry's haircut. It looks good on Halle Berry, but it doesn't look good on me. And she freaks out. Yeah, that is something I did not want to go through, of course. So that is why, as a stylist, I will go through and dissect the images that my clients will present to me on what it is exactly that they like about that picture. So you as a client going to a stylist, taking a picture, taking as many angles, like I said, the front, the sides, the back, taking as many angles as possible so you can show your stylist to minimize the misinterpretation of what it is you want by showing them, saying, this is what I want, and then add a couple extra instructions, like I like how the layer kind of falls around the ear or below the ear because I want it longer or whatever. Add those extra special instructions so that your stylist really can't accidentally misinterpret what you want. And this will ensure that when you go into the hairstylist, you're going to get what you're asking for. And again, for the stylists, don't just take somebody's word for, this is what I want. This is what I want, and then go ahead and just cut it. Because like I said in the example of my Halle Berry story, you may do the haircut to exactly what they asked for, but it might not be, believe it or not,